Hi everybody and welcome to the St Kilda Jimmy channel. Today we're going to make some slime and I've got a very special guest joining us. There she is. Do you want to say hi to everybody?
Hi, I'm Harper.
Well, hi Harper. Now what are we here to do today then?
Make slime.
Well, that's one we've done earlier.
One we've done earlier.
Okay, so first off we need to tell everyone about our ingredients. What's that we've got there, Harper?
We need some PVA glue. And by the way, all of these ingredients are from Australia. So you get the PVA glue from Lingcraft.
Or yeah,
And we need some of this.
and that is palm olive.
And then we need this.
Yeah, and you can get that from Aldi.
We're going to be needing
Some Vanish or any real stain remover will do.
and then some eye drops.
But we've got this one. We use this one. It's got something, an active ingredient that we need called borax.
So let's get started. First, you add the glue, and